here. Probably cut this right out because I can't even open it. How to drink Ultimate Fibre. Get a shaker bottle. The best ones are those with these little spring balls inside, and you want to have 400 mils of water. So 350 to 400 mils of water. And then inside your canister you have a scoop, and that scoop is 10 grams. So for an adult over 40 kilos you need to have 2 scoops. And it's got a lot of high fibre and it can thicken fast, so you must just shake it and drink it. So I'll show you here. 1 level scoop, just tap it in. 2nd level scoop. Close your shaker bottle. Give it a good shake to hydrate up the herbs. And then drink it as fast as you can. And that's how you drink Qenda Ultimate Fibre.